Hello and welcome to ASINASIN short introductory video series. ASINASIN product comparison tool allows you to compare 2 to 5 products in terms of their sales volume, sales amount, price, bestseller ranking, Amazon scoring, and rating start, as well as access other information. You can determine the potential profitability of each product and quickly choose best-selling products by calculating costs by using our tool's refined and simple selection function. This information can help you identify products with high profit margins and avoid products that may not be as profitable. Select your target market and enter the Amazon product ASIN one by one that you want to compare. Click Search after you insert one ASIN. If you want to remove a product from this list, click here to remove it. This is a product information comparison of this product. On the right side, there are a few access buttons that supports quick access to more detailed information about the ASIN. The product comparison data view contains the visual data view of the checked ASINs. You can check each product's sales volume or the number of sales. Total sales amount in dollar price. The historical price trend of each product. Bestseller ranking. Amazon's total customer review count for each product. And the overall rating of the product out of 5 stars. You can change the data presentation method from a line chart to a bar chart view. To view the detailed data of the specified month, you can view the data of the specified month by pulling the slider left or right through the slider below, or you can scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out. If you want to compare a certain number of products, you can close other products' ASINs by clicking on them. If you have any problem while using it, please feel free to contact us via WeChat or online customer service.